everyone has told us that what we've achieved here is nothing short of amazing. This was only my vision. I did not do the work. Therefore, if it's awesome, I'm going to take full credit for the vision. And if it sucks, I'm going to blame the team. So.
So today has been incredible. All the vendors are set up, connected to the infrastructure. We've done all the rehearsals. Everything's gone swimmingly. I had a chance to meet with the vendors in the morning and give them the breakdown. I've tried to talk to as many of the vendors as possible and have one-on-one time with them. Everyone is incredibly excited. In a weird way, they're cautiously excited or nervously excited. And you don't see that at a conference because there is a lot at stake here because they are being compelled to prove it, right? They have to prove that the things that they sell as features and benefits to manufacturers, they can actually deliver on. And that's really exciting. I mean, it's really exciting.